Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn how to tag a signal as a false positive. For that, first click on the signals icon. You'll be redirected to the signals page. Here, you find all the signals that are generated in the duration of last 24 hours. You can change this duration by selecting either quick select, preset or date range. Now, when I'm investigating a particular signal, say command line execution with suspicious URL, and if I find that this signal is a false positive, that means a signal which is incorrectly indicating any kind of security threat or alert. So now I want to tag this signal as false positive. For that, I'll simply click on this tag as false positive, and you'll find out that the signal is removed from the pending review state. It will be now added to the triaged signals. So here the signal is present in a triaged. Now, if you think that this was some activity that happened by mistakenly and now you want to untag this signal from the false positive state, then there is an option available to untag as a false positive. When you untag as a false positive, then again it moves from the triage signal to the pending reviews. So I hope this example helped you to understand how to tag and untag a signal as a false positive. Stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials where we'll discuss more exciting things related to the NIF. Thank you.